Learn English to Gujarati tech words, computer to
call,
welcome to your tech adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati tech words without falling asleep on your keyboard. Let's make your brain happy and slightly more
उपयोगी,
Picture this. You sit at your desk with a heroic cup of tea. In front of you is a glowing
computer,
your
internet,
works, which already makes this fantasy more unrealistic than a dragon doing taxes. You open an
app,
type your
password,
check your
email,
read a
संदेश,
and then get a
call.
Today, those words become your new tiny Gujarati superpowers. Your first word squad. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter one by one. Say them aloud with me like you are introducing a very nerdy superhero team. Computer in Gujarati is
Computer,
the
computer,
is on the desk. Handy in Gujarati is
उपयोगी,
a small tool can be very.
उपयोगी,
Internet in Gujarati is
internet,
I use the
internet,
every day. App in Gujarati is
app,
I opened the
app,
on my phone. Password in Gujarati is
password,
please enter your
password,
email in Gujarati is
email,
please check your
email,
message in Gujarati is
संदेश,
send a short
संदेश,
call in Gujarati is
call,
please answer the
call.
a very modern morning. Now you will hear the words inside a silly little story. Just relax and let the vocabulary stick to your brain like a notification you cannot ignore. You wake up, stretch dramatically, and march to your
Computer,
like a warrior of productivity. You hope the
internet,
works today. Miraculously, it does. You open your favorite
app,
but first the machine demands your
password,
because apparently even computers have trust issues. After logging in, you read an
email,
from a friend, then a cheerful
संदेश,
appears on your phone. Tea first, work later. Suddenly, you get a
call,
it is someone asking, is your new study app good? You say, yes, it is very.
उपयोगी,
Single quote. Congratulations. You just survived a full Gujarati tech morning. Mini dialogue at maximum chaos. Let's practice with a fast, funny dialogue. You can repeat the Gujarati words after each line. A. My
computer,
is on, but the
internet,
is slow. B. Open the
app,
later. First, fix the connection. A. I cannot. It wants my
password,
and my brain has left the building. B. Check your
email,
maybe the reset link is there. A. Wait, I just got a
संदेश,
B. What does the
संदेश,
say? A. It says, stop guessing and write down your
password,
rude, but
उपयोगी,
B. And now I am giving you a
call,
because this problem is too dramatic for texting. Memory tricks that actually help. You do not need magic, but a few weird images will help. And weird is my favorite teaching method. 4.
computer,
Imagine a giant keyboard on your desk and pretend to type in the air. 4.
उपयोगी,
Imagine a tiny tool in your pocket that solves every small problem, including opening snack bags. 4.
internet,
Picture a glowing web around the world. 4.
app,
Imagine tapping a bright icon on your phone. 4.
password,
Picture a lock opening only when you whisper the secret word. 4.
email,
See a digital envelope flying through the air. 4.
संदेश,
Imagine your phone buzzing with one important note. 4.
call,
Hold your hand to your ear like a phone and hear a ringtone in your head. Quick drill time. Now I say the English word, and you say the Gujarati word. If you whisper it like a secret agent, that also counts. Computer.
Computer.
Handy.
उपयोगी.
Internet.
Internet.
App.
App.
Password.
Password.
Email.
Email.
Message.
संदेश.
Call.
Call.
Quiz without panic. Let's test your memory. No stress. If you get one wrong, just blame the
Internet.
What is the Gujarati word for computer?
Computer.
What is the Gujarati word for handy?
उपयोगी.
What is the Gujarati word for internet?
Internet.
What is the Gujarati word for app?
App.
What is the Gujarati word for password?
Password.
What is the Gujarati word for email?
Email.
What is the Gujarati word for message?
संदेश.
What is the Gujarati word for call?
Call.
Use it like real life. Before we finish, let's make the words sound natural in everyday situations. This is where you start sounding less like a vocabulary list and more like a real person. I use the
Computer.
every day. This tool is very
उपयोगी.
The
Internet.
is slow today. Download the
App.
before class. Please enter your
Password.
Please check your
Email.
Send me a short
संदेश.
I received a
Call.
this morning. Friendly finish. You did it. Your Gujarati tech vocabulary is now stronger, brighter, and probably better organized than most people's desktop folders. Today you practiced
Computer. उपयोगी. Internet. App. Password. Email. संदेश.
and
Call.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in little daily sentences, and come back soon for more Gujarati. You are doing great.